I can't even move my neck. Have you ever woke up and you slept on the wrong side of the bed? You know, like the positioning, but when I move it to the left, hurts. I don't know if you guys ever experienced it. I heard the fastest and quickest way to get through this is through acupuncture. So I'm gonna go check out doctor in Beverly Hills. Her name is Dr. Kara, and hopefully she'll be able to at least help me with this pain because this is not happening. I can't even work out.
My name is Dr. Kara, and we are going to treat Charles's neck pain today. He came in with a very stiff neck, and we're gonna use acupressure, auricular therapy, and cupping to make him feel better. My patients come to me for a wide variety of issues. Things like neck pain or back pain. Acupuncture is also really great for fatigue, anxiety, allergies, fertility, digestive issues. So cupping is not like a new thing. It is a fad now, but it's been around for thousands of years, pretty much in every single culture throughout the world. Oh, wow. So a lot of my patients will be like, oh yeah, my grandmother used to do cupping like in Russia. It's really great to move the blood, so especially if you work out a lot, or pretty much everyone, if you're just like on the phone, text neck, or computer, or drive, we get tight neck and shoulders, so it feels so amazing. It's like an inverse massage. Basically, instead of applying positive pressure, the cups give negative pressure, so it kind of like gives room and space for fresh oxygen in and blood flow to circulate the area and decrease pain. And it's really great combined with acupuncture.
Wait, so I feel so much better. When I came in, I couldn't really even move my neck. I can move. It's not completely healed, but like you said, patience is key, rest, do all the things that you taught me, but I feel so much better. This, hands down, like so good.
If you're very afraid of needles, we take it very slow and just make you comfortable.
Love it. Where can we find more info about you?
Yeah, my website is drkaraaculand.com.
Ooh, perfect. Thank you, Dr. Kara.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See you.
Bye.
Alright, I'm back home now and I'm feeling so much better, like 110% better. I want to know from you guys, have you guys ever tried cupping or acupuncture? What are your thoughts? I know it looks painful, but trust me, it feels great. The marks actually go away after a few days. Let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more things like this, like me checking out cryotherapy and things that hack my health and meditation, whatever you want, let me know in the comments below. What do you want to see next? Like, I want to make these as adventurous and engaging as possible and things that you guys want to actually watch. So let me know, recipes, whatever, comment below. Let me know that you guys are watching and you guys are enjoying. Talk to you guys soon. Subscribe. Peace.